Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can show or hide bulk users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often times when schools and corporations need to show or hide bulk users. If a user doesn't want to share their profile information in your organization's directory, you can hide their profile. Here is what happens when you hide a user in a directory. Their profile information won't autocomplete when other users enter addresses in services like Gmail and Calendar. Their profile information won't appear in other users' contacts manager. Their profile information won't appear in cloud search results. Google Admin Console has the option to bulk show or hide users using Directory API. But coding is a time-taking process, so there should be a way without coding to do this. Foresight is a great tool that automates Google Workspace. It helps Google Workspace admins and users in doing their routine work fast and efficiently, without coding. Let's see how Foresight helps in this case. Here is a list of 50 users we will hide from the directory. Please note that for the demo purpose, we are only taking 50 users, while in real cases, we can handle thousands of users. Download the Google Sheet as CSV. Now follow these steps. Rule creation. Step 1. Sign into Foresight with a Google Workspace account. Go to the Rule page and click the New Rule button in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Select the Data Uploaded trigger and upload the exported CSV file. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. Now click Next. Step 3. Select the Update User Directory Sharing action. Step 4. First, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in your Google Workspace account. Then in the primary email field, select Email. The below option is to show or hide the users. Disable it to hide the users and enable sharing the users in the directory. Step 5. Click Review, enter the rule name, and click Create. Triggering the rule. As you can see, the rule is created. Now click on the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file once again. Wait for the rule to be triggered. It may take a few seconds. Verifying results. After the rule has run, some notifications will appear in the top right corner. Click on the notification icon, and then click View Log or Show All. You can also see results from the Logs page. The rule has run successfully. Now let's verify if the user's info is hidden or not. Let's test the first user, which is sample at test.xfanatical.com. In Gmail, go to the app launcher, click Gmail, and compose an email. Start typing the email address. As you can see, the user info does not appear in autocomplete, while the other user's profile shows up in autocomplete. For example, Barbara Coate or Belcruel. In Contacts, go to the app launcher and click Contacts. Once again, start searching for the user with the email sample at test.xfanatical.com. You can see the user info is hidden, while the other user's info is visible. In Cloud Search, go to the app launcher and click Cloud Search. Start searching for the user with the email sample at test.xfanatical.com. You can see the user info is hidden, while the other user's info is visible. Test all other users in a similar way. So, as you have seen, Foresight is a really handy tool. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.